Welcome to our blues challenge. This is the next song. This is a classic. Muddy Water song, Hoochie Coochie Man. All right, so this one has a really recognizable intro lick that they ride for a while at the beginning, and then it goes into this cool shuffle thing at the end. I'm going to show you all of this right here. But anyway, this is our blues challenge. If you haven't signed up, you got to sign up, because once you sign up for the challenge, ukelikethepros.com/challenge, you're going to get access to the tutorial videos, also the tab, and the backing tracks as well. So I'll put a link to that below, but ukelikethepros.com/challenge. So anyway, thank you for being here. I'm Terry Carter. And if you haven't done so already or are new here, please subscribe and turn on that bell notification. Hey, by the way, the winner of the blues challenge is going to win a brand new ukulele. So pretty exciting stuff. All right, so this is going to start off with this lick. And it actually doesn't matter if you have a high G or a low G. I do have a low G on this one, but if you have a high G, you can play exactly the same way. It's just going to sound slightly different, but it's actually going to work as well. So all it is this. Open third string, C, D, open second string, which is E, back to the third string open, and then you're going to hit the A note on the fourth string, second fret. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and that's coming on the and of 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then followed by a triplet. And then on beat 1 is where you hit the A. Now, if you have a high G, it's going to sound like this. 2, 3. It's going to sound like here, first string here, but I want you to play here on the fourth string, second fret. I think it's a little bit easier, at least for me. All right. Now, that's the verse. Okay, so when you start the verse, it's like, and wait till you hear the backing track. The backing track sounds cool, and it's going to have actually some other instruments that's going to harmonize with this lick that I just showed you. But it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3. Gypsy woman told my mama before I was born. So that almost has like a call and response between that lick and then also that singing. All right, so we're gonna do that a while. Then when we actually get into like the rest of it, the shuffle, the 4, the 5 chord, it's gonna be this D chord like this. We're gonna be doing this. And don't forget, if you need any help with this kind of stuff, the Blues Mastery course at ukelikethepros.com, that's the spot for you. Make sure to check that out. We'll put a link of that below as well. By the way, that's ukelikethepros.com/ukeblues. But that blues course is going to show you in depth all the stuff we're doing with this stuff. So that's going to be a great place for you. All right, so it's going to just go to this D chord. 3, 4. And this is just like your traditional blues. Now to the A chord, it's going to be this bar chord A with this kind of this long stretch here. 2, 3, to the E chord, the 5 chord, up here on the 4th fret, to the D chord, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2. Check this out, 4. And that really cool ending. Okay, so once you actually start on this D chord, it's going to go right into your blues, just like you're starting on measure 5 and then going through the blues. Now, the turnaround here, I'm just going to show you that, and then we're going to get right to the singing and the backing track. Is going to be right here. You're going to play this A chord. So this is like the last measure. Hit the A chord one time. This is that bar chord shape. And then you're going to go on the and of 1, the D chord, slide it up on beat 2, and on the and of 2, up to the E. And then you're just going to let it ring out. So that last measure, 3, 4, 1, 4, and. All right, so actually, if we do the last 2 measures, that's a little bit better. Starting on the A chord, 3. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. How cool is that? Yeah. Now, for the backing track, and by the way, you can get to the backing tracks once you sign up for the challenge. I'm going to do it 2 times here. 2 times through the whole thing. It's two verses. Now, if you just want to do it 1 time, there is a backing track that you can download to just go through this whole thing 1 time. But if you want to do it 2 times, do that as well. I can't wait to see your videos. Okay? So you got to sign up. Don't forget to sign up. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to bring the backing track in. Let's go ahead and sing. I'm your Hoochie Coochie Man. 1, 2, 3. Gypsy woman told my mama before I was born. You've got a boy child coming, gonna be a son of a gun, gonna make the pretty women jump and shout, and the world will wanna know what it's all about. Yeah, you know I'm here. Everybody knows I'm here. Yeah, I'm that Hoochie Coochie Man. Everybody knows I'm here. I got a black cat bone. I've got a mojo too. I've got a John, a conqueror. I'm gonna mess with you. I'm gonna make you girls lead me by the hand, and the world will know I'm Hoochie Coochie Man. You know I'm here. Everybody knows I'm here. Yeah, I'm that Hoochie Coochie Man. Everybody knows I'm here. All right, there you go. Like I said, we went through 2 times. If you just want to do 1 time, that's fine. If you want to do 2 times for the challenge, that's fine. Because remember, you have to post your videos for this as well. How do you sign up? ukelikethepros.com/challenge. I look forward to seeing your videos. Good luck to you. Thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.